Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the sound for games not working issue in the Steam application in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So guys, let's assume for instance you have been experiencing these sound issues with a specific game in your Steam library. There are several ways how you can approach this to find a solution. Option number one would be to simply run Steam, of course, and let's assume you have the given game running from your library. It would be step one would be to simply check if the given game hasn't been accidentally muted through your sound settings on your device, for example Windows 10 or Windows 11. To do that, guys, run the given game from your library, have it running on your device, and after that return to the desktop and click into that sound button or icon in the bottom right corner and select sound mixer, and here run through or go through that menu here and check which applications and games are currently running on your device. And if you for example accidentally disabled the sound for a specific app or a game, you will see this symbol, so simply click into it to unmute the given game. That's step number one. Step number two would be to check the given game's files integrity installed on Steam. So navigate to your Steam library, right click into the given game here on the left hand side. Let me go with this one for demonstration purposes. Select properties, navigate to the installed files section here inside the game settings, and click into verify the integrity of game files to allow Steam to check if there are any missing files, for example, or that may be not working properly. And in the third step, guys, what you want to do is navigate to the task manager on your device, for example Windows 10 or Windows 11. You may do that by right clicking into the taskbar at the bottom and select task manager. As you can see, English is not the language, the interface language for my device, but you will see the task manager option somewhere in that menu, so access it. And after that, navigate to process in the top left corner and look for the Steam process. Here it is, Steam Web Helper. Right click into it and select and in this process. And after that, guys, navigate to your file explorer on your device. Look for Steam if you can find it. If you already see it pinned to that list here, simply right click into it and select navigate to file location. And inside here, Steam file location, right click into the Steam application and select properties at the bottom of that menu to get redirected to the Steam application properties. From there, navigate to compatibility and enable the administrator, or run this program as an administrator here in your language in that card, and click into apply here to safety settings. And after that, restart Steam on your device, restart the game, and check if the game now has the sound or audio playing. Please let us know in the comments down below, guys, if this did fix the issue for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.